All right, we're going to do a glass text effect here. So as we can see, I've got a picture up on my screen right here, and there's a picture of the Gateway Arch in St. Louis. So we're going to use this as our background piece. What I'm going to do is I'm going to type some text over this. I'm going to just go ahead and type, let's see, we'll just type St. Louis. There we go. I'm going to promote St. Louis as much as possible here. I used to live there, great city. So we're going to click right here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to head and enlarge our text like so. I don't really like the color of our text here, so let's change the color. Let's hit enter, hit D, there we go. And with our paint bucket tool, we will actually come up here and select all this. And what we're going to do is we're going to paint it. Okay, there we go. Have to rasterize our layer. There we go. We'll get in here and we'll paint this all up. Or let's just hit, there we go. Let's just hit Alt Delete or Alt Backspace on your PC. And there we go. Now we have dark text, so we're going to stop here and we'll pick this up in the next part.